Hi friends, hope you're doing well. So today Nihira is going to have pink food throughout the day. Nihira's favorite color is pink and that is why she is going to have pink colored food in breakfast, lunch and dinner. Are you guys excited to watch? Let's begin. So for breakfast I prepared poha for her and to add the pink color I used beetroot juice. Nihira loves poha a lot. Now for lunch, Nihira is going to have pink masala puri with pink raita. To add pink color to both of these, again we have used beetroot juice. This is also Nihira's favorite and she loved it a lot. Now it's time for the evening snacks and Nihira is going to have everybody's favorite momo. So she will have pink momo with strawberry shake. I'm sure you all love momo. This is so yummy.
Yummy!
And now for dinner, we're going to make pink idli with pink coconut chutney. Lot of beetroot juice has been used to make these idlis and this coconut chutney pink. And guess what? Even idlis are Nihira's favorite. So all day long Nihira had her favorite pink food. Everything was so healthy and yummy. I hope you guys also liked it and do ask your mama to make something pink for you today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and keep watching. Bye bye.